Hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who may or may not already know, my name is Alex, aka Yellowberry.
I'm like, damn, you so fine, girl. What is your sign? She say I'm a Sagittarius. I'm a Capricorn, the beginning and end. I got a friend for your friend. Hey, I'm making all of this money to spend. Deal stores buying.
Wait, I don't bite. And by today's title, you already know why you are here. We are gonna get into 10 do's and don'ts of Vlogmas. As you guys know, because you are subscribed to my channel, you like everything, you watch everything, you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. You guys know that I participated in Vlogmas not only last year, but also the year before. So I felt that this video was of my best interest to put you guys on to what I have learned, what you shouldn't do, what I learned to not do, and what I also learned to do better. So let's get into it. For those of you who do not know what Vlogmas is when you put out 25 videos starting from December 1st to December 25th. So basically during the Christmas season, some people do like 12 days of Christmas, some people like me be skipping out on some days, but the general idea is to have 25 days of Christmas vlogging. So now that that's out the way, let me tell you guys what I personally have learned and what I feel like has helped me this year last year as opposed to the year before for Vlogmas. So number one, you should start in October, November. And I really mean like late October, because November is still, in my opinion, kind of cutting it too close. When I started Vlogmas last year, 2020, I started in November and I still feel like it wasn't enough time. So what I mean, I start in October, like start thinking of your ideas, start thinking of what kind of intro you want to do, start making your intro and things of that nature. Again, to each their own, they're just things that helped me. Number two, make sure to write down all of your Vlogmas ideas. Make sure that you try to think of more than 25 ideas. If you don't think of more than 25 ideas, that is quite okay. As the Vlogmas series continues and as time passes, you're gonna think of things to do. However, you still wanna have a little bit more than 25, just in case one day you want to do something, you're not able to do it, or you wanna leave room for error. Number three, have a calendar and write down on each day or each box in the calendar what video will be put out on what day. Again, if you guys watch my New Year's video, which I'm gonna link up above and also down below, I am a visual person, so I like to see things visually. I love using planners, I love having calendars and things of that nature. So it was easier for me last year, being that I had a calendar and I can see, okay, Monday's a hair video, Tuesday's a family video, Wednesday's a this video, Thursday's that video. And I can also see what days I need to edit, how many videos I'm gonna need to edit for the next week, what videos do I already have edited, you know what I'm trying to say? So it was just easier to map out things in that way. Number four, a lot of people were laughing at me like, oh my gosh, you started in November, da, 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 da. And I was like, all right, you'll see. You'll see why I started in November. My advice to you is do not try to record and edit every single day of Vlogmas. You will burn yourself out. Don't get me wrong, there will be days that you might need to record that day and then edit that day to put it out for that day. But let me tell you, if you think that you're gonna wake up on December 1st and begin recording and editing, and just wake up on December 2nd, record and edit, wake up December 3rd and record and edit, you're going to burn yourself out, okay? Just trust me, you're gonna burn yourself out, because even just having things pre-recorded and editing, you do sometimes suffer a burnout because it's a lot. But my words of advice, do not try to record and edit on the same day every single day of Vlogmas. I do agree that sometimes things do happen though. Number five, this kind of ties into number four. Make sure that you pre-record your Christmas video, whatever it is. It might not be a Christmas themed video, but just day 25, make sure that it's pre-recorded. I fell victim of this. I was doing really well for Vlogmas, and then Christmas came, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try to record and edit on Christmas Day. Your girl did not record and she did not edit. I was just too much in the Christmas spirit. It's my daughter's first Christmas. I'm like, do I really want to have a camera in everybody's face, in my face, and trying to edit? I just want to live in the moment. So I would strongly advise you guys, please, if anything, please just make sure that you have a video for Christmas Day, which is the last day of Vlogmas. Number six, make sure that you bulk record and schedule your videos. So bulk recording is basically just when you pick a day and you record a whole bunch of content, 3 or 4 videos, however many videos you feel like you can produce in a day. when you bulk record, you can also have all these videos in a stash, but then you get to choose which days you want to edit which videos. So for instance, for me, I started bulk recording in November, and I also started editing in November. However, when time started running out and I was in December, I've already had, you know, 4 videos recorded and edited, and then I still have some more in the stash so that I wasn't recording and editing in the same day, burning myself out the first week of Vlogmas. And what I mean by schedule your videos, YouTube has an option on the Creator Studio where you can schedule your videos. Literally, you can say, okay, I want this video to come out December 1st at 12 o'clock p.m. All right, next video, I want this video to come out December 2nd at 3 o'clock p.m. So you can schedule your videos so that the day of, you don't have to like scurry, like say for instance, you're out Christmas shopping, or you're busy that day and it slips your mind. YouTube got you covered. You had it scheduled from the week before, the night before, the whatever time before for it to come out, and bada bing, bada boom, it's scheduled. Number 7, one thing that I learned from last year as opposed to the year before was not to make too many Christmas themed videos. And what I mean by that is, oh, me decorating my tree, me baking cookies for Santa, you know, things of that nature. Don't get me wrong, those videos do numbers for some people. Remember guys, Christmas is only a little section of the year. It's the end of the year. You want videos to still, you want people to still click on your videos if it's summertime, if it's Mardi Gras time, if it's whatever time. So that's why this year I decided to make things that are more so all seasonal or yearly kind of videos. Like for instance, I did a video, my baby's nursery tour. I decided to make sure that I put out videos that would be played throughout the year and not just a section of the year. Number 8, what I also learned last year as opposed to the year before was not to make my thumbnails too Christmas themed either. The year before last year, I had like a brick fireplace and I had my picture and I had like Vlogmas Day, whatever, in the bottom right corner of my thumbnail. It's cute, it's very festive for the moment. However, I do notice that a lot of people do not view those videos after Vlogmas. It just kind of has that Christmassy feel, and it's, again, once we're in summertime, nobody's checking for videos like that. Nobody's checking for a Christmas themed video. Nobody's checking for me trying to build a snowman for Santa or whatever the case may be. So this year I decided, again, my thumbnail is going to be generic for the year. It's not screaming festive Christmas. Yeah, I get it, right? Number 9, this also ties into my point number 8 and point number 7. Your title should be what the video is about, followed by Vlogmas Day, whatever. I also feel that it worked for me because the year before I put Vlogmas Day 1 eyebrow tutorial. Now, last year, what I would do is put eyebrow tutorial for sparse eyebrows, then I'll put Vlogmas Day, whatever. Your audience is gonna be more attracted to what they first see. So the first thing they see is like, oh, a tutorial for sparse eyebrows, perfect. Let me click that. Versus Vlogmas Day, it's like, I don't care about no Vlogmas. You know what I'm saying? So you just want to make sure that, again, your things are generic for year round. It's not Christmassy themed. Again, you want to attach yourself to the Vlogmas title, but you don't want that to be the first thing that people see because YouTube, these videos are here forever, okay? Like you can search something and you'll find a video of mine from like 4 years ago if it pertains to whatever you're searching. So again, I just want my videos, my titles, as well as my thumbnails to be generic for the year. So whenever somebody's searching for something and they see it, they don't feel like it's a Christmas video and that doesn't serve them any purpose right now. And last but not least, number 10, have fun. I know I gave you guys a mouthful of things. If you're new to Vlogmas, you're probably like, I hate this girl. She just gave me so much to do and so much to think about. But trust me guys, have fun with it, okay? Vlogmas, Christmas season, period, is a great time to be alive. It's a great time to celebrate. It's a great time to put out content, and you just have to remember to have fun with it. Your audience can sense when you're doing things for money. Your audience can sense that when you're not being genuine with whatever it is that you're doing or putting out. With all the rules I gave you, put this one as number 1. Have fun with what you're doing. Produce your content. Make your audience laugh. Make them cry. Make them feel whatever it is that you want them to feel, but be genuine and have fun. So that'll conclude my do's and don'ts for Vlogmas. I hope I helped you guys. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.